Hey loves, let's create a cute and glam floral nail together. First, I'm adding some glitter top coat to the tip of a black nail and blending it upward with an ombre brush. Now I'm drawing a soft flower. I start with a few guidelines and build the petals on top. Next, I add red jelly gel in the center and blend it outwards to give the petals a pretty red to clear fade. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Just sealing everything with a shiny top coat. And to finish, I'm placing a tiny bit of gold glitter in the center of the flower for that extra sparkle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.